Hello there. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools in your Amazon PPC toolkit, the product targeting. Yes. What is it? Why does it matter? And most importantly, how can you use it to outrank your competition and steal the sales without burning your budget? I will walk through how exactly to set up a sponsored product targeting campaign step by step. Plus, I will reveal a pro level tip how to pick the right competitor ASIN to target so you can win the clicks that actually convert. So are you ready to level up your ads? Let's jump in. So with product targeting, you don't target keywords. Instead, you target specific products or entire product categories. This means your ad will appear directly on your competitors' product detail pages or in related product placements, giving you a chance to steal their traffic and win customers who are ready to buy. Product targeting works best when you have a clear idea of who your competitors are. You want to appear on listing similar to your product, and you have a competitive advantage like a lower price, better reviews, or unique features. By showing up right on your competitor's page, you can convince shoppers to pick you instead. How to create a sponsored product targeting campaign? All right, let's set up this step by step. All right, let's set this up step by step. Go to your campaign manager and click the create campaign button. Choose sponsored product as your campaign type and ad group name. Give your ad group clear name like PD, Facebook, exact. This keeps your ad group organized. So next step is choose the product you want to advertise and click add your ASIN to add it to this ad group here. So the next step is make sure to select manual target first. This tells Amazon you want to control exactly what you are targeting, not automatic. So next, under manual targeting here, choose product targeting. This is where your ad decide which competitor product or categories to target. So the next, it's time to pick which competitor ASIN to target. We do this smartly using our master tool, which is keyword master tool. Wait, if you have not watched our video on keyword research and the keyword master tool yet, pause this video and watch that first. It explains exactly how to find your top competitors and you get the tool for free. So now open the competitor summary tab in your keyword master tool and look for ASINs that meet these criteria. Number one is competitor priced higher than your product, so your offer looks like a better deal. So two is competitor with fewer reviews than your product, so shoppers trust you more, and product that are very similar to yours, so you attract the right audience. When you use these filters, you have a high chance to convert more clicks into sales because you are showing your product where you have a clear advantage. Select the best ASINs that match these points. So next step is in your campaign setup under product targeting, under individual product, click interlist here and paste the competitor ASIN you pick from the competitor summary tab here. So the pro tip is don't add too many ASINs in one group. Focus on 3 to 10 carefully. Choose ASINs for the best results, and this keeps you your targeting sharp and your spend efficient. So the next step is set your default bid for these ASINs. Start with the moderate bid. You can use Amazon suggest range or go slowly lower if you are testing. So under the bidding strategy here, choose dynamic bid down only to protect your budget while testing these. Lower your bid when Amazon thinks click might not convert, right? So the next step is scroll to the placement. Here you can adjust how much extra you are willing to bid for. Top search TOS, top of Amazon results. Next is product pages, your main placement for this type of campaign. Rest of search ROS. So for product targeting, focus on the product pages. You can leave placement adjust at 0% for now and monitor results later. So in campaign settings, name your campaign clearly, set a start date and choose a daily budget. Again, $30 to $100 daily is a good range to start testing. Double check everything, your product, the competitor, ASIN, your bids and your budget. Then click launch campaign and you are live. Your ad will now appear on the product pages of the ASINs you targeted, helping you win traffic directly from your competitors. So today you learn what product targeting is, when and why you use it, how to pick the right competitor ASIN using the keyword master tool, how to create, launch a high performing product targeting campaign step by step. Remember one thing, focus on targeting competitors where you have an advantage like lower price or better reviews, so you win more sales or less cost. So that's it for now. I hope now you feel confident setting up a winning product targeting campaign and choosing the right competitors to target. So in the next video, we are going to learn negative targeting. What is it, why this is super important for saving your ad budget, and exactly how to do it step by step. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.